Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the Redragon GALATIN K719 Pro White and Blue Edition. It's a trimode 96% keyboard with an LCD screen and volume knob priced around $70. In this video, I'll be showcasing the white and blue variant, but there's also a white and green colorway, an anime edition, and a graffiti theme version, which I have all previously reviewed on my channel. Included in the box is a set of Redragon stickers, the user manual, a right angle Type-C to A cable, a switch and keycap puller, 4 extra min-member switches, and of course the keyboard, which weighs around 860 grams or 1.9 pounds. Moving on to the design, the keyboard features a 95-key exploder layout, with a knob on the top right corner that controls volume and the LCD screen, which displays the date, time, battery percentage, and keyboard information, alongside the settings for the homepage, RGB lighting, language, layout, and time, and also comes with a customizable GIF with the software. Besides that, there's also 4 indicator lights next to the numpad, the Redragon logo, Type-C connection port, and trimode switch on the left, the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver dongle on the right, and 4 non-slip feet on the bottom with 2 flip-out ones to increase the typing angle of the keyboard. As for the software, the keyboard supports the same K719 RGB Pro driver. In here, you can see the battery percentage and set different profiles, customize the RGB lighting effects, brightness, speed, and color, remap the keys with the functions listed here, record and import macros, access other settings like the polling rate, and of course configure the screen by uploading custom images and GIFs from your computer to the keyboard. This is how the screen looks with a few of the custom GIFs I've uploaded, and I will say it's quite sharp and clear. Diving into the other components, the keyboard features rounded OEM profile double-shot PBT keycaps that have shine-through legends, Redragon min-member linear switches that are pre-looped out of the box, plate-mounted stabilizers that are pre-looped as well with some foam dampeners at the spacebar, a gasket-mounted flex-cut polycarbonate plate for a softer typing experience, a 5-pin hot swap north-facing PCB with per-key RGB that features flex cuts as well, a 4000 mAh battery for wireless use, and 5 layers of sound dampening mods with a thick piece of silicone and foam in the bottom case, and a PET sheet, an IXPE switch pad, and a PO foam in between the plate and PCB. Anyway, that was everything about the keyboard. Now let's go on to the typing sound test. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the Redragon GALATIN K719 Pro. As I've said in previous reviews, it's a pretty decent keyboard. Priced around $70, it has a useful 95 key layout and even features a volume knob and an LCD screen for even more functionality. Not to mention, it also comes with a software for customization and sounds pretty decent with the sound dampening mods included. Plus, there's also a lot of colors and variants to choose from to really suit your style. So, if you're looking for a wireless 96% keyboard that has a knob and screen, the Redragon GALATIN K719 Pro is a great budget option. As usual, everything will be linked in the description below if you're interested, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Redragon for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.